you know what I sort of want to do? So this palette is from Sports Girl. I bought it for one of my dance concerts like ages ago. All I needed was literally one color, I think. Oh, okay, it's really dirty. Anyways, I feel like getting some gold, and can I use this for that? Brow line. I feel like getting some gold and putting it like just under. Would that look cool? Look. I'm going to get the gold. Yeah. It's subtle, which is what I want. I have really sensitive eyes, like they will just start tearing up out of nowhere. Once I was driving on the highway and they just started like tearing, and I was like, Mom, I can't see, what do I do? And you can't stop. I don't know what to do. Alright, and this, could you hear that? So, I'm filming.
Huh?
I'm filming. Thank you. Is that from Jaduz? I'll show you what he just got me. These. Okay. I don't know where to look. Okay, so I just feel that I'm so white right now. So I don't know where you put this bronzer, but we are going to put it on. I'm going to use this brush. Is that fine? It says powder. Bluffer. Okay, this one. No. Alright, I'm just going to go. Right. I've seen people do it here. I don't know why. And there. I don't know why either. And here. Like, I don't know if it's right. Alright, let's see if it made a difference. Do you reckon it made a difference? Let's see. I reckon it did nothing. Like, let's zoom into this. I look tanned. Like, do I not? In this lighting, I do. And the lipstick looks luscious.